know it. The government of India has introduced three farm acts. The one Farmers Produce, Trade and Commerce. Second one, the Farmers Agreement of Price
Harshita,
Insurance.
you asked a question. I think Kev wants to answer that. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Just
Yeah,
specifically,
ma'am.
I would like to speak. My name is Kev, and I would like to answer Harshita's question. That why are farmers exactly agitating against a law that was supposed to help them? That was supposed to help them, not go against them. Exactly what I mean is that there were three laws which were introduced recently, and the second law which was going against them. Ma'am, the first one, Facilitation Act, the facilitation part. Ma'am, it opened the trade barriers for farmers throughout the states. Ma'am, it allowed them to sell in the other states. Ma'am, for example, ma'am, if Punjab is having abundance of wheat, it can sell in Andhra Pradesh. But ma'am, the market cap of that good is higher in the other states. So, ma'am, other states can come over and exploit the markets, which was not so good for Punjab. Ma'am, because they sell their crops at higher rates than others. So, ma'am, Andhra Pradesh can come in Punjab and sell their crops for higher rates. Ma'am, that's what the reason exactly was why they were agitating against that.
Harshita, that answers your question. Ganesh, you also wanted to answer something to Harshita? You've
Yes,
asked a
ma'am.
question, so you have to give them a chance to answer. Yes.
Yeah, I'd like to add on to the point of CAF that it is one of the reasons, and moreover, the bills are giving power to the state whether or not they'd like to trade with the farmers or not. And most of the states would not get profit out of the mandi system. No, if they don't follow the mandi system, they'll not get the profit by trading with small farmers. So that's one of the reasons.
Ma'am, I would like to add to Grace's
Just
point.
1 minute. Ekam and Krish, any points from you all? Okay. Yes, Kev.
Ma'am, I would like to add to Ganesh's point. Ma'am, if the state does not deal with small farmers, ma'am, the state first has to take their crops at a very low price. And afterwards, ma'am, if there is a private intervention in the trade, ma'am, they have to take it in a even lower price, ma'am, because they would be looking for the profits, ma'am, because they're a private state something, private company maybe, which would be taking their crops. So, ma'am, ultimately the farmers would be suffering huge losses.
Okay. Yes, Harshita? You want to
So
say something?
I would like to say something that the government has already agreed to the amendment. Our Home Minister has recently said that the farmers' agitation against agricultural laws can only be resolved through discussion. Amit Shah says this. And as they have said that they are afraid that many private sectors will come up with a new law not for a farmer. There are certain poor and marginalized farmers also who are not affected. They will get the opportunity to compete with the farmers. They will have because the earlier what happens that the farmers poor one they don't have a person or institution from where they can get the money for what they produce, so it was at a very low rate that they were producing. So the mandi system is now the government is thinking of providing those farmers an opportunity to sell what they produce from where they want. And hence I don't believe that even if a corporating sector will come in or a private sector will intervene, then any farmer should be disappointed from it.
Okay, I would like, first of all, sorry, I would want Ekam and Krish to give in their opinion first. Your opinion about the farmers' agitation.
Ma'am, we all know, ma'am, farmers, ma'am, they are hardworking people. Ma'am, the government is saying that the motto they are presenting is not clear to the farmers. Ma'am, if that is so, ma'am, there should be a better way to, ma'am, convey
Communicate.
their messages. Yes, ma'am,
So,
convey their message to
everywhere
farmers.
communication comes in. There is a lack of communication, you feel?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
All of you feel
why
that
would,
there
ma'am,
is, though Harshita feels no, they are ready to talk. Ekam, what is your take on this? Yes,
Can
Ekam?
you hear me?
Yes, we
Can
can, though it's a little soft.
Ma'am, I think there's both pros and cons to it. Ma'am, according to the government, it's gonna help the farmers, but it's not
We want your opinion, Ekam.
really.
We want your opinion.
I think it's not helping them.
Why?
Ma'am,
Okay, think about it. Yes, Ganesh, you wanted to say something? And after that,
Yes,
Kev can
ma'am.
tell what Harshita has spoken. Yes?
Ma'am, Harshita said that there is no problem in corporate intervention. Ma'am, I'd like to add on that. There is indeed a problem in that. Like a big MNC like McDonald's or any food corporate, if it's trading with a small farmer who's reaping around 20 kilos a day and their orders in tons and tons of tomatoes, they'll probably not trade with the small farmers. They'll go to the higher traders. So any amendment would not help them in that scenario.
Okay. Yes, Kev, you would like to add something?
Ma'am, first I would like to speak on Ganesh's point. I would add something to it, and ma'am, then I would be speaking 3 different points. So I'm adding on to Ganesh's point. Ma'am, McDonald's would obviously not deal with small farmers because the orders would be in tons, and on the quality they would require would be far greater than the the small one can provide, ma'am, because it requires a fertilizer and stuff. So, ma'am, the next 3 points, ma'am, first one would be, ma'am, the government is not totally uh, wanted to speak with the farmers. Ma'am, because in the past 7 years or 8 years, our government has had a just had a just a minute.
Have a sip of water. Have a sip of
Yes,
water.
ma'am.
Just relax. Yes, Harshita, you raised your hand. I want Ekam and
Just a
Krish
minute.
to also. Okay, you are okay with it? Quickly say. Harshita also
Ma'am,
wants to.
I'm forgetting the word. Just a
I
minute,
think
Tell
ma'am.
me,
Kev is trying to say,
we'll
ma'am.
help you out.
Ma'am, the farmers are protesting for, like, ma'am, now it has been month or two. Ma'am, ma'am, it is already, ma'am, winters, and ma'am, if the government wanted to talk, they could have done it sooner. Ma'am, then it would not have been so much
So much of
controversy
agitation
Ma'am,
won't
from
have
there.
been.
I got the word. I
Yes,
got the
ma'am.
word. Ma'am, in the past 7 or 8 years, the government has had just one open press conference, ma'am, even in which our prime minister did not speak at all. Ma'am, he spoke just a word or two like good morning, and he did not speak at all. When the questions which were asked to him were answered by Amit Shah, not with the prime minister. And ma'am, after that, prime minister, ma'am, the farmers, uh, ma'am, there's a reason why they're agitating against it. Ma'am, they are not sitting free. Ma'am, they have to sow crops for us. Ma'am, even when the lockdown happened, ma'am, we did not rush to buy cars or jewelries. We rushed to buy agricultural goods. Ma'am, there's a reason why they are so big. So, ma'am, they're not sitting free. They're not agitating without a reason.
Okay,
Ma'am,
don't
even
repeat
near
because
the
now
Delhi border.
you've said, Harshita, you
Ma'am,
would like to say
a separate
something.
point. Ma'am, a
Okay.
separate
Yes,
last
ma'am.
point, last point,
Like,
last
Okay,
point.
okay.
Hey,
Let
stop.
Kev speak. Kev speak quickly.
Ma'am, the third point, ma'am, farmers invited local BJP leaders to clarify their point, even after, ma'am, right after Amit Shah said that the motto is not clear why they are agitating. So, ma'am, they invited local BJP leaders to clarify their point, ma'am, but nobody showed up.
Okay.
Ma'am, the government says that the three farm laws have been projected for the benefit and for the benefit of the marginalized one and to remove the middlemen from between to trade for the traders to directly trade to the farmers rather than a mandi would be there, then all the mandis commissioner will trade. Hence, they not get the farmers who really produce that harvest should get a real amount of money. That's what the government aim about getting up the three laws. And until 2020, what has happened that the sale of agricultural produce could only occur through the mandi. If the mandi works, then the farmer could get money. But now the farmers have a choice to sell their brands to sell their what they produce outside India as well. So hence, I believe these laws are very much beneficial to them, and I believe that what the farmers afraid is surely of the MSP, but the government is very much ready to give it to them in insurance that the MSP will prevail and. if we talk about their land going hand in the private institutions, then this cannot happen because the private institution cannot put up its own policies on the land of the farmers. It would only be on the trade facilities, like how
Okay.
much they want to sell
What
and
do
how
we
much.
understand by MST? Ekam, Ganesh, Krish, MST hota kya hai?
Ma'am, minimum support price.
The
Minimum support price.
yes, all of you agree?
I have something to
Okay.
say.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, sure. First, let Krish speak, please. Let Krish speak.
Ma'am, as Harshita said, ma'am, the farmer are getting a greater good from ma'am working with the the agencies. But ma'am, shouldn't the farmer have the right to whom do they sell? Ma'am, as we know, ma'am, as Ganesh said, ma'am, like McDonald's or some, they buy stuff in tons and lots of things. I mean, if farmers, like we say in mandis, ma'am, the mandi people, ma'am, take the products from different farmers and they then sell it, not like just only one farmer.
So you
ma'am,
feel they should have their own right to sell. They should decide whom they should. Okay. Yes, Ganesh, you tell what is your opinion on what Harshita said, or your own opinion otherwise too.
Ma'am, first of all, the mandi system is fully flawed. According to
Yes, ma'am,
the
exactly.
previous laws, there should be a mandi in every 5 square kilometer, but there are not. There is only one mandi every 11,000 or 12,000 kilometer or so. And the prices in these mandis are not selected by the farmers, but by the traders themselves. So they put a similar price on everything so that they could profit and not the farmer. And second, ma'am, the second point I forgot. I'll come back to it.
Okay. Kev, and then we go to Ekam.
Ma'am, my point is that Harshita is nearly opposing herself. Ma'am, she is saying that the government says so. The government says so. Ma'am, but what we know, the government does nothing and only says. Ma'am, we have observed that in the past 8 years. We all know what has happened. To icon, ma'am, they
But the
promised jobs.
government,
We got
I would like
wait,
to
wait,
interrupt.
wait.
Okay, you can
Ma'am,
continue.
the government promised jobs. The government promised employment. The government promised higher GDP, and we got nothing out of it. The GDP fall and then rose up. So they are saying the GDP rose up, but they are not mentioning that it fell first. It fell first. They did not mention it. And on the mandi system, which is flawed, ma'am, what I believe is they're also cutting the business of the middlemen. Ma'am, what I exactly mean is cutting the business of the middlemen. Ma'am, they're opening trade barriers and they're cutting the business. Let me explain it. So, ma'am, the opening trade barriers, someone from somewhere else can come and sell this stuff. Ma'am, which the state can accept or can reject it. It's totally up to them. So, ma'am, what if they reject it? Ma'am, the middleman will not buy it. The state will not buy it. So, ma'am, where will the crop go?
Archita, would you like
government,
to
what we know
answer?
is actually corrupt, ma'am, in many areas. I'm not generalizing it, but in many areas, we know the government is corrupt. So, ma'am, we can say that they will do some side business and they will buy at even a cheaper rate than that. So, ma'am, farmers would be ultimately suffering huge losses, ultimately.
Archita, would you like to prove your point?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as you said that any foreign company will be coming if the government and the state government rejects it. Ma'am, what if the state government, as you said, that is a generalized thing of corruption. But nowadays, I can see that the corruption is getting to the foreground. It is coming back from where it has been originated. So I don't believe that the corruption will prevail as much. And somehow, if the traders, if they are willing and they're reluctant for protesting now, then they will also be reluctant for protesting for a trade company that they want to trade against the government if the government could reject the proposal. And the last point that I would like to add on that the farmers are really afraid of the MSP, and as he said that the government in last to 7 to 8 years is just saying and is did nothing. I believe that it has brought down the article in Kashmir. Kashmir. It has also done many acts. It has inaugurated the Statue of Liberty. It has inaugurated bullet train too, which will be inaugurating 2021. And I believe that the government is
Who has
doing much more
inaugurated
better.
the Statue of Liberty?
Pardon, ma'am?
How is the Statue of Liberty connected with the... If anybody would like to
say
answer.
that the government has done so much thing that, as he said, the government is just
got
saying
it,
and
I thought everybody
saying.
should
So
be
I'm
clear.
just proving.
Okay.
I have no... Yes, Gopi. एक मिनट बेटा, पहले गणेश को बोलने दो.
Ma'am, I'd like to tell the reason why the farmers are scared and the MSP and all of that. Ma'am, first of all, the government ensure that if the farmers trade in the mandis, they'll take the goods from the farmers on MSP. MSP is minimum support price, from which they'll get a minimum substantial for their living. So will the government be able to reach to all the farmers across the country and give an incentive to all of them? That is not possible. So that's why they are afraid. If they don't make trades with the mandis, they'll not get the MSP. That's why they are afraid. That's the main reason.
Harshita, yes. And Ekam, I want to
Ma'am,
hear better from you.
First.
No,
Yes,
first
ma'am.
Harshita raised her hand.
I raised a hand even before Harshita. Ma'am, right with Ganesh.
1 minute, because it is answering to Harshita, we'll go back to Harshita. Okay. No political issues over here. Chalo, Harshita. No gender bias.
Ma'am, I forgot what I have to say.
Okay. Ekam, would you like to say something on this? Okay, let me first ask Ekam. Okay, Kaif boliye. Please speak.
Ma'am, मैं भूल गया.
Okay, Krish, you all were more interested in raising your hands. Krish?
But then I forgot, ma'am. I got a break and then I forgot.
No problem at all. It happens. Ekam, what is your take on you are for the bill or you are against, or what is your opinion? I haven't got it till now.
Ma'am, got it.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I think, ma'am, I'm not against it or not for it, ma'am.
You have to have an opinion, sweetheart. You have to have an opinion. Otherwise, society में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी if you don't have an opinion about something.
Why is it always have to be a right wing or a left wing?
No, okay, then the grey shade बता दो.
One of the side have to, ma'am.
No, what is your opinion? That can there be a general consensus and the farmers will benefit? Do you think ऐसा होगा जैसे कि Harshita is saying that through talks and through communicative skills, all the problems will be solved?
Yes, ma'am, they can be. Ma'am, already, ma'am, in the existing system, ma'am, farmers have been facing, ma'am, several problems. Ma'am, like, ma'am, low crop prices, ma'am, they are in debt, ma'am, high transportation costs, and ma'am,
I
various
loved what
problems.
Krish also said just now, why there always has to be a correct and an incorrect way. Very true. They can be your opinion. So we are only talking about your opinion. Yes, Kev.
So, ma'am, government is supposed to introduce a bill which is supposed to be beneficial for both the government and the people benefiting from it. Ma'am, but this bill is only, ma'am, it is not exactly balanced. It is shifted towards the government. And the government would be benefiting more from it than the people would be. Ma'am, that's not the only reason. Ma'am, Harshita said that they would be protesting later on against the big companies which would be buying from them. Ma'am, because they don't want to protest later on against other big companies, which would be obviously winning the case by taking to the Supreme Court. Ma'am, we all know that it happens under the table. And they don't want to do that. Ma'am, so they are protesting right now. And ma'am, she said that that it built a statue of liberty or something. But what did it bring to the government? What did it bring to the country other than what can you say, good feelings? And ma'am, other than that, ma'am, the Kashmir Act, it was brought down by the Parliament, not by the Supreme Court, not by the PMO himself.
Okay, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am, I would like to add on, as he said, that the corruption takes place in the judicial issues and the judiciary. That is very much incorrect, not to believe on on our country's judiciary, which stands very much different from the executions and the all the MPs and all the politicians. And first of all, about the corruption that takes place in judicial system, it's not there. I believe so. Otherwise, we wouldn't have got so many of the laws which are in the favorism of our country. Judiciary is made for the citizens, not for a corruption. And the second thing,
My
as he
son will be
said
very
that
happy to hear this. Okay.
Ma'am,
One minute, Kev. Gopi
just
wants
a
to
minute.
say something.
that
Ganesh.
as he said that the Kashmir
Yeah.
Act was given by the parliament, it was only introduced by the government, which is in the reign from 2014 till now. So I believe that no corruption in judiciary, and the government is not saying it also do what it says. We also have surgical strike with Pakistan, don't we? And we have not with China. We have not given us land even. So that's the good thing about the government we have.
Ma'am,
So it's not
just one
about
small
it's just
point, ma'am.
on command.
Let us finish. Huh? Okay.
Ma'am,
Or
very
it about
important.
Yes, Kev, bolo. We are running short of time.
Ma'am,
Chalo.
she's speaking. She's speaking. अच्छा, बोल दिया आपने बेंजी.
yeah, I'm done.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, judiciary not something which
Listen, the
was corrupt.
topic is farmers agitation. इस पर तो अगर सब टॉपिक्स निकालोगे तो हम लोग 1 बजे तक बात
Just
कर
one point.
सकते.
Ma'am, just
Okay,
one
जल्दी
point.
से
Just
बोल दो.
one point.
Whatever your opinion is, speak.
So, ma'am, she is right. Exactly, ma'am. To keep as low as in corruption, ma'am, but it does. The problem does, ma'am. If you are in touch, what they tell is you can buy a high court lawyer for as low as 70 lakhs. Seriously. So you can imagine the price of a Supreme Court lawyer, which the big agencies can obviously afford, and so can the government.
Okay. Kev, we put your point to rest over here because it is not related at present with farmers agitation. Yes,
It is
Harshita.
very, very
Let's
controversial, and
wind
we are
up
recording
quickly.
as well.
Who is winding up the whole thing? One for pro, one for con. Yes, Harshita, please wind up. Your point.
Ma'am,
Give it a close now.
finally, I would like to wind up this topic by saying that yes, the government is going very much ahead, good, and its target to help the marginalized farmers is really a thing that we should be proud of. That the
But what
government,
about the
this one
farmers'
such
health?
government, the government is really thinking about the farmers. It has brought some of the three laws which are really important to them and could help to generate the confidence in them so that they could trade their own produce very well.
Okay.
Hence, I would like to conclude the session.
Thank you, Harshita. Yes, Ekam, you said something. What about the
Yes,
farmers?
ma'am.
So you
Ma'am,
do
what
have
about
an
the farmers'
opinion.
health? Ma'am, but what about the farmers' health? Earlier they have so much problems, and these bills have provoked them to protest out there in the cold.
He has an opinion and he said he does not. So yes, you do have an opinion. Getting it clear now. Krish, Ganesh and Kev to nahi. Krish and Ganesh, anything to speak?
Ma'am, at the end, ma'am, I'd like to say that the one or two bills can be beneficial if amendments are made. The mandi system, I don't think it can do anything, or the corporate wala bill. At the end of the day, ma'am, we often forget where our food comes from because we get it very easy. So they're going through a lot. So from these protests, one positive to the things that are needed to be given attention. So that's
Great.
what matters at the
Krish, would
end.
you? How will you end this
Ma'am,
topic?
Ma'am, I think, ma'am, it's high time for the government and for the people to understand how to communicate betterly and, ma'am, how to present themselves. Ma'am, in the past, we have seen, ma'am, there within, ma'am, these like 7 years, ma'am, there are many protests going on in the country. Ma'am,
Okay. I'll
maybe
just
there
go
is
over
lack
to
of
Ekam.
communication.
Ekam, your take on this, please.
Just like Chris said, ma'am, both of the sides, ma'am, have to cooperate with each other, ma'am, in order for the social welfare, ma'am.
Kev, you are smiling a lot. Please wind off.
Yes, ma'am. So I would like to say that I'm not totally against it, ma'am. I'm just against, not totally against it. So, ma'am, there were mistakes made. So, ma'am, there are to be amendments as well, ma'am. It is never too late, ma'am. They can make amendments to it, ma'am. There are three bills. I feel that one of them is flawed. So, ma'am, there should be amendments, ma'am. There is a reason why farmers are trading out there in the cold, standing against water cannons, ma'am. But what Chris said is true, ma'am. At the end of the day, we need them. We need farmers. So, ma'am, you should be cooperating with them.
And I would like to end it on that everywhere communicative skills are very important. So they should enhance the communicative skills and make their both the parties should make each other comprehend. So comprehension is of most importance. 3 passages are there of comprehension. So let us stress upon comprehension. So let me first stop the recording. And
I'm gonna say 5